An honor to welcome you all to the PDP session on the topic Generic Skills, an initiative of SEPDEV as part of Genesis. I am extremely delighted to have in our midst Mr. Yugam Chaturvedi, Director of Corporate Affairs, Professor Dr. Sanjay Singh, Principal School of Law, Dr. Neeta Berry, Dean School of Law, and Dr. Pushkar Singh, Head of Department, School of Law. A graduate in Economics Honours from Hindu College, a postgraduate in Economics from the Delhi School of Economics, Mr. Yugam Chaturvedi is a multi-dimensional person with a diverse experience of around 28 years. He started his career with a German multinational called Mecon GmbH and worked at several places in Europe. In 1992, he came back to India and worked with two companies before starting his own organization called ProGet India in 1997 in the foreign exchange and human resource vertical. His association with CPJ College is now more than 3 years, and the students have been learning a lot of things under his able guidance and leadership. I now request sir to kindly address our dear students.
Frankly speaking, as it is called, that before any good thing is to start, or something good is to happen, there comes an omen and everything goes in the wrong direction. When I see such a thin attendance here, I'm feeling ashamed of my own self, and my complete spirit of addressing you people is already one-fourth than the one with which I entered this auditorium. When a person like Yugam Chaturvedi is invited, जिससे एक बड़ी पुरानी कहावत है, घर की मुर्गी दाल बराबर। लगा कि युगाम चतुर्वेदी सर दिखते रहे इस बिल्डिंग में, एक एड्रेस कर देंगे, क्या खास हो जाएगा। But trust me, I address. This is the first time in my life when I'm addressing youngsters like you who have just been school students few months back. My complete audience till date has been postgraduate students from IIM, from IIT, and what all places. Of course, when I speak for the next 2 hours with you, you will understand. And people who would not be present today, they would come to understand that what they missed. And that is the word, and that's the promise to you. School of Law, as I'm seeing, is going really out of bounds, and I'll have to see that how things have to brought back to normalcy. If in BLLB and BBLLB, a total of around 300 students, if this is not even half that you are here today, and this makes me feel too bad. When the address was given to Management, IT and Commerce, students were standing from all sides, and it was a jam-packed auditorium. The students occupied the set here where your principal and dean school of law are sitting as of now. Anyway, I'm half-hearted now speaking to you, but now that you are present here, I do not wish to cancel this program, but go on with it. But I'm really hurt, trust me. Ensure that I know that who are the attendees, Dr. Singh, and I mean it, and I mean business in this. Anyways, let's get started. Dr. Pushkar, please meet me once this is over. Swati, Chandna, Dr. Arya. 29 years back that I post-graduated. You were not even born at that point of time.